Step into a new era of IT management, where artificial intelligence becomes the tool that empowers you to lead with clarity and precision. Imagine transitioning from endless meetings and repetitive tasks to seizing every opportunity to strategize and innovate. In our comprehensive training, you'll delve into actionable frameworks that help you integrate AI into your day-to-day role, transforming routine operations into streamlined, efficient processes. The content is designed to give you practical insights, from engaging video sessions covering foundational AI concepts to advanced applications and hands-on tools that automate and optimize workflows. With real-world case studies and interactive guides, you'll learn how to harness AI in a way that saves time and makes you indispensable. This course isn't about abstract theory. It's about actionable strategies that help you secure your role, increase your influence, and carve out a path for long-term growth in a rapidly evolving field. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By staying updated through monthly new content and learning from practical examples, you position yourself as the innovative leader every team needs. Embrace this opportunity to not only refine your skills, but also to fortify your career and drive tangible outcomes in your organization. Find all AI for Manager of IT's training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.